I'll admit that I forgot to do a jewelry show off last month, but I hope this shot of Trixie, my other kitty, the Scream Kitty, will make up for that. First, I'd like to show off these earrings. Not sure if you can see it, but inside the little balls are little gears. Just chain. This what was supposed to be in the last video, but I didn't find out until editing that I got the wrong kind of footage for it. But it's an earring and bracelet jewelry set with some beads from Etsy and some from Hobby Lobby, and you can't really see it because there is sunlight. This necklace was too long to be put on the display, but I made a butterfly out of a pair of wings from Hobby Lobby and a mismatched earring, and put it on some chain, and it turned out really cute, in my opinion. And I made this necklace. It's supposed to be, yeah, there we go, there's the brown. It's really pretty, and it has little gold colored sparkles there. It's really pretty, and I love it, but these beads are really pale, and I am too pale to wear this. And the earrings I made to go with that necklace. Once again, the beads are the gold and the white ones. And once again, it would look really nice on someone with a darker skin tone than mine. These orange, black, and silver earrings were made because I'm doing a Pokemon themed jewelry challenge and I needed something for Growlife. But since one of my cats is a calico, I figured I could maybe wear these for marbles. I don't know. Probably not. And the bracelet to go with those earrings. Still orange and black and silver. Part one of another jewelry set. Just earrings with little swirls on them and beads dangling from them. And part two of that jewelry set. Spirals and white and blue beads in a bracelet. Finishing up that jewelry set is this necklace with the white and blue beads that I used for the bracelet. And different blue beads all the way. I was going to make the same necklace just with different beads in the center, but I ran out of white. I haven't been able to pick up more. And this bracelet, I'm just going to keep it, but the pink and blue beads are from Michael's around Christmas. It's just stretch, little silver pieces from Hobby Lobby in it. I don't make a lot of rings, but this was an old earring that didn't have a match, so I broke off the back and glued it to a ring base. And these earrings are part of the last set I made this month. The bracelet part of this earring set. Please ignore my lens cap, it's attached to my camera. It has different kinds of yellow beads on it. Took me about 5 tries to get right. And this last one is my favorite. It has the same, this necklace has the same yellow beads as the earrings and the bracelet did, but it also has little silver spoons. And I wore this necklace and just the necklace to a wedding, and it was noticed by the mother of the groom. So, very fun.